Hey.
There is the little girl that is almost 3 months old.
7.4 pounds.
7.4 pounds today. And her ears are starting to get up. Georgia, come show Mommy your ears up. Oh, you look like a little bunny rabbit. Oh, wee. Hi, Mommy. Oh, where'd she go? We are the cutest little things.
Why are the toys outside?
We like to take all the toys outside the house. Look at her run. Woo! Boy, you almost can't keep up with her. There she goes. Wow, Georgia! She's a cutie pie. Wee, there I am. Look how big I'm a big dog. I got the toy.